Welcome to PTmaestro. How to create a meal plan. From the dashboard, we'll go to Training and Meal Plans. From here, we can create a new meal plan. You have the meal plan's name, category, illness, age group, and additional notes. Only the meal plan's name is the required field. Categories has a variety of options, from Mediterranean to high protein to paleo to many others. Tailor a meal plan to an illness or disease. As it was with workouts, you could target a specific age group. Add any additional notes and then create the meal plan. Once successfully created, you can view the meal plan. We'll cover that at a later episode. If you wanted to delete the meal plan, edit the meal plan's information, view in PDF form, which we'll get to later, edit the meal plan itself. Editing the meal plan will be covered at a later episode. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more, please remember to hit that subscribe button.